In section 9, we're using the for keyword again, but this time we're going to be doing a little bit more with the list. So here's our list, a group of numbers. And what we want to do is from that list, from this start list, we want to create a new list called square list. And we can see currently it is empty. Now the content of square list is going to be the same number squared. So the first thing we have to do is we have to take each number, and we're going to have this placeholder of n, and we're going to do 2 stars and a 2 to square it. So 5 becomes 25, 3 becomes 9, and so on. And we're going to assign that value to x. Now what are we going to do with x? We are going to append our empty list. So square list is right there, and we saw the append method earlier, and append just simply means add. So we're going to take that first value and add it to the list. So for example, if we start off with a 5, n is 5, we're going to take 5 squared, so it becomes 25, so x is 25. And now square list will not be an empty list. It will have one number in there. It will have the number 25. And it will do this, and every time it does it, it will sort the list using the sort method, and at the end it will print out the list of numbers.